everyone, we're here for a video tutorial on how to sign in to the shared service record folder in your Google Drive. First, punta po tayo sa ating browser. Then, mag-sign in sa ating personal Gmail account na ibinigay niyo po last on-site technical assistance orientation in your respective municipality. Then, find the dots on the upper right corner of your screen. Hanapin ang icon ng Google Drive. Click it. And, mapupunta na po tayo sa ating dashboard. Sa left side, hanapin ang Shared with Me. I-click po and hanapin po yung folder na nakaname po sa inyong school na isinare po ng DepEd Sarangani HR. And voila, yan na po. Next is how to upload files and run the code for the first time. And first things first, each service record should be in a PDF file format and ang file name po each ay ang kanilang BP number po. And punta po tayo sa dashboard, yung naka-shared po na folder. Click New sa upper left corner. Hanapin ang File Upload. And locate po kung saan nyo po sinave yung service record files nyo po sa desktop or either kung saan po yun na folder. Example here sa network po, Bricks. Sa folder na Katy Perry. Ayan, then click left, hold, and drag or control +A to select all files. For example, dinrag ko po. And open. And let's wait for it na ma-upload lahat. Ayan, medyo marami-rami at medyo matagal-tagalan po tayo. Then, kapag na-upload na po lahat, i-click po natin yung Get Files na folder. Lalabas po sa screen yung spreadsheets. Then, let's wait for the Get Files na button. Until lalabas po ito, click that one. And run. And click the run. Click run. Continue. Tapos mag-sign in po sa ating Gmail account again. Click the advanced. Then sa baba nun, meron pong go to insular unsafe. Next is allow. Yan, authorization successful. After that, lalabas na po yung spreadsheet ulit. Click again the get files, run the code, and then voila! Yan na, lalabas na yung codes. And marereflect na po ito sa ating Project BC Ed website. So for us to double check, let's go to the website. Copy-paste po natin yung sites.google.com/views/depeds-sarangani-division/home. Copy po natin, i-paste po natin sa browser. Ayan, lalabas na po yung dashboard. i-click po natin tong service records downloads. Ayan. So to double check, let's go back to this spreadsheet. Copy po tayo ng BP number. For example, ito. Copy paste. Ayan. So yan na, lalabas yung service record na pwede nang ma-download ng inyong teacher. In this part, you are required to make another folder to upload all the service record of your teachers in Excel format or in Google Sheet format. So, right-click lang po and then rename the folder into Soft Copy SR. Create. Then, open the folder you created. Then, upload the service record na naka-Excel format or Google Sheet form. Left-click, hold, and drag. Then, open. Wait for it to complete the uploading. How to delete service record on the Project PC website. First is punta po tayo sa Google Drive dashboard, yung part na shinare sa atin ng DepEd, or dun po sa shared folder. Next is hanap po tayo ng PDF file. For example, ito. Then right click and hanapin po yung remove. Ayan, remove na. After that, punta po tayo sa Get Files, then run the code. For a while, madidelete na po yung BP number. So, ayan. It will be deleted. Ayan, wala na po siya. So, if you want to double check that one, punta po kayo doon sa Project DC website. Double check nyo po doon ang BP number nung deleted na po. Ang lalabas doon is data not found. So every time meron po tayong i-delete na file or or make changes, please don't forget to go to the Get File folder. Then click the Get Files and always run the code. Every time may i-change po tayo or i-update po tayo ng mga files. Go to the dashboard, click the share with me, then open the folder, then click this icon and type the Gmail account of whom you want to share with. Po yun if editor po yung nakalagay, and then send. If you want to remove the access from the one you shared it with, click this icon again, then click the editor button and remove access, then save. And you're all done.